Hi. Wait, I'll put it on now. Oh no, I don't like this. My sister-in-law's gift to my son. Curse her!